How to connect Spotify to car via Bluetooth. If you want to listen to Spotify in your car, one of the easiest ways is through a Bluetooth connection. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and your car's audio system. On your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings and make your device available. In your car's infotainment system, open the Bluetooth menu and search for available devices. When your phone appears on the list, select it to pair and confirm the pairing code if prompted on both devices. Once your phone is successfully connected, open the Spotify app and start playing a song. Your car should automatically switch the audio to play through the Bluetooth connection. You can control the music using your phone or in many cases directly from your car's steering wheel buttons. It's a quick and reliable way to bring your Spotify library with you wherever you drive. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.